Hey guys, so I'm in my 2013 Honda Accord. It's a Gen 9, which covered like 2013 through 2017, I believe. Anyways, I did something really dumb the other day. I was in the engine compartment and I was tightening the connections on the battery, and I twisted the battery sensor and yanked the three little wires out of it. And when the sensor no longer can talk to the car, this is what happens when you start the car. You get check charge system. So, let me show you what I did and how I fixed it. So let me show you real quick. These are the three wires that come up from the firewall. There's a green one, a red one, and a light blue one. I took this connector apart. You can buy these connectors on Amazon for like 15 bucks. They have three little yellow wires sticking out of them. You can just wire it up correctly. But this is the sensor here on the battery. And plug that in. You can see it's a light blue wire, then it goes to the red wire, and then the green wire. So that's what it should look like. And then if you have an oscilloscope of any type, this is a little cheap little DSO I got off of Amazon for like 20 bucks. This first section is the car querying the sensor for information. The second section is the sensor responding. So that's what the correct data should look like from the sensor, with this section behind the first block here. Let me disconnect the sensor real quick and I'll show you the difference. So this is with it disconnected. You can see you just get that little block right there. And then let me plug the sensor in, you'll see the difference. So there's the sensor plugged in. So anyways, let me show you that this actually works. So let me turn the car off. Okay, the car is off, and then we'll restart it. It takes about 10 seconds for the car to go through and talk to the sensors and say, hey, everything's okay. So, and this is about the time the car would be starting to complain about the check charge system. So anyways, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.